Do you love movies but hate paying for expensive subscriptions? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stream free movies directly on your TV. And the best part is everything I'm about to share is 100% legal and completely free. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll be giving you bonus tips. Why free streaming is possible. A lot of people don't know this, but many companies and movie studios release films on free streaming platforms. These platforms make money from ads, so you don't have to pay a subscription fee. That means you can watch blockbusters, classics, and even TV shows without spending a dime. Here are some of the best free apps you can download today on your smart TV, Firesticks, Roku, or even Chromecast. Number 1 is Tubi TV. Tubi TV has over 50,000 movies and TV shows. And guess what? It's totally free because it's supported by ads. And it's also available on smart TV, on Roku, Firestick, PlayStation, and Xbox. Number 2 is Pluto TV. This works like live TV with channels, free movies plus series, and is great for streaming on TV devices. Number 3 on our list is Crackle. This is owned by Sony, and you can get a wide collection of Hollywood movies. Wow! And guess what? Free apps available on most devices. Number 4 is Peacock free trial. From NBC Universal, thousands of hours of free content, including popular TV shows and movies. Number 5, local free TV apps. Example, Plex TV or Freevis by Amazon. Many free movies options depending on your country. How to stream on TV. If you have a smart TV, just go to the App Store and download any of these apps. If you are using a Firestick or Roku, search for the app name, and install it. Or if you don't have a smart TV, no problem. Just connect a cheap device like Chromecast or Firestick to your regular TV and cast movie from your phone. Now the bonus tip. Always use your home Wi-Fi for smooth streaming. Mobile data can get expensive. The next one. Create free accounts on some of these apps to unlock more features like watch lists. Next one. If you are outside the US, some apps may be limited. Try local free streaming platforms available in your country. So that's how you can stream free movies on your TV without paying a dime. Which of these apps are you going to try first? Tubi, Pluto TV, or Crackle? Let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on free and budget-friendly streaming. Until next time, happy watching.